We've got a new update for you. Now you can create specific signing orders within documents and contracts. This feature allows businesses to manage the signing order of a document or a contract, enhancing control and efficiency in the document signing process. Let's talk about those benefits. First of all, this is going to enhance your control. Now your business can define the sequence in which recipients sign documents. It's also going to streamline your workflow. Now, with the drag and drop functionality, this is going to enable businesses to easily reorder their signers. And it's going to improve your efficiency. The system is going to automatically send documents to the next signer in the order you designate. As far as practical use goes, this is a really great option when, as a business, you need to send a contract or a document to multiple people within a business for approval. With the signing order management feature, your business can specify the order in which each party needs to sign that document, ensuring a smooth and organized approval process. Let me show you exactly where to go to utilize this new feature. First of all, you're going to need to create a document or a contract. To do that, you're going to go under Payments in the left-hand navigation, and in the upper navigation, you're going to go to Documents and Contracts. And you're going to click either Plus New, or you're going to edit an existing one. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to set signing order as something you want to utilize. So you're going to click on that recipient icon, which looks like a person, and then you're going to toggle on the new signing order option. And then you're going to go ahead and choose your first recipient. After that, you're going to start adding additional recipients by clicking the plus Add More Recipient button. Now we're going to go into that document and we're going to add the signature element. You're going to click the plus icon and then you're going to find the signature element and drag that over where you want to use it. Now you're going to select an item to be signed. You're going to click the signature element and you're going to select the properties to be signed by and those people that you want to actually sign. With this new feature, your business can exercise greater control over the document and contract signing process, streamlining your workflows and improving efficiency within the CRM, ultimately leading to smoother operations and faster document approvals. We hope you enjoy this new feature. Let us know if you need any help at all.